The cat, surrounded by books, muses on the importance of dreams and motivation, sharing wisdom beyond its feline instincts. With a commanding presence, the cat emphasizes the importance of curiosity as a guide to life's adventures and opportunities. In a tranquil setting, the cat illustrates the value of seizing opportunities, reminding everyone to stay alert and ready. As the world moves outside, the cat encourages everyone to embrace their dreams, reminding us that every great achievement begins with small steps. In the comfort of its library, the cat conveys the importance of persistence, inspiring others to believe that even small efforts can lead to significant change. In the vibrant garden, the cat embodies pure joy, reminding everyone to embrace happiness and savor every moment of their journey.